Hey folks, Zach Murray here. Welcome back to the Murray Homestead. And today we're going to be doing a quick upgrade to the 60 volt weed whacker from DEWALT. We're going to be installing a Husqvarna T35 universal head and an actual shield. So if y'all saw my video that I put out like not even a week ago, I kid you not, about an hour after I get done shooting that video, I'm weed eating around here at the front, and the head broke finally. I showed y'all how wore out the head was, and it finally broke. I never really loved the head. I'm used to more of the detachable head that you take it apart, put the string on, and put it back together. And this one came highly recommended, and it's a Husky, so it's gonna be good. So that should be pretty quick and easy. And then the head I could live with. This shield, or lack thereof, I really am not sure what DEWALT was thinking, but you can see the size of that shield, or lack thereof, and bam, we got a massive upgrade for that. I'll have everything linked down below, but for now, let's get it installed. Alright, so you're just going to take a screwdriver, you can use a nail or whatever, but on the side of this shield, there's a little slot, and then on the side of the shaft there's another slot, and that just locks the head in place. You're going to turn it clockwise to remove it. Bam. And that's the hardest part of the install pretty much. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove these 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Yes. These 4 screws, and to replace this shield. These are going to be T25. And you're just going to lift it forward like that, and bam. You, the guy she tells you not to worry about. Alright, and while this is off, I'll just get off any of the extra big chunks of stuff, and that's about that. And the same thing, I'm going to go over, and boom. You can just do this by hand. They're coarse thread screws, so it's really not going to take long at all to just screw them in by hand. Alright, shield is installed. It took filming like 1 minute. And now this head, it comes with instructions. You can read those on your own. And then it does come with some adapters and stuff in the top, because it's a universal head. For us, we are lucky. We put that little spacer back on. The little slot on the shield is on this side. So just lock it in like that. Nice and easy. And then you're going to screw this on. They're reverse threaded, so just counterclockwise. That's freaking it. Alright, with shipping, both of those were less than 60 bucks. And now, apparently it already comes with some string. That's nice. I'll throw a battery in there. Make sure everything sounds like it should. Beautiful. Alright, let me put my safety glasses on, and we'll do a quick demonstration. Alrighty, I got everything installed, so let's send on a little test run here. Holy cow, that shield is so much better. It's not even funny. Let me go over to the stump right here, and we'll try to feed out some line, make sure the head works like it should. There you go. Works like it should. That's about it. If y'all have one of these, which I do recommend, these things are little beasts. I would 1,000,000% recommend, at a bare minimum, getting this upgraded shield. That's about it. Thanks for stopping by. If y'all have any questions or anything, let me know down below. Otherwise, we'll see y'all next time. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you.